Hello, everyone. My name is Vince Mahar, and before I get started here, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for coming out today, and I hope to display to you all my readiness to graduate, as well as how I've succeeded in the three pillars listed in this video portfolio. I'd like to introduce you to my family. I live here with my stepdad and mother in Villa Park, California, with my three younger brothers, James, John Christian, David Grant, and my little sister, Bracelle. For my other side of the family, my father, my stepmom, and my older brother Alec. He works as an architect out in Dallas, Texas, while the rest of my family lives in Tucson, Arizona. However, both of my families were originally from El Paso, Texas, and moved from there. After high school, I will be attending UCLA in the fall, studying biology. I hope to take this biology degree and eventually go to med school, hopefully becoming an orthopedic surgeon after that. And whether I open my own practice or work out of a hospital remains to be seen. Leading into my reason pillar, I attribute it most to my involvement in the biomedical pathway as a 4-year biomedical student here. Taking many STEM courses is what I've always been drawn to. I attribute that from that biomedical pathway to influencing me to drive out and take these opportunities of research, which these photos are of, working in both an orthopedic stem cell research lab and an endocrinology lab. And I've learned from these laboratory teams that the diversity is so important, and how individuals work together in these labs is essential to creating the groundbreaking medical research that we are seeing each and every day. For the religion pillar, I've learned so much about my faith here at Bosco. A lot at the Kairos retreat, but initially I learned most of my spiritual lessons from my grandmother, who instilled it to me and my older brother from a very young age. I've been involved in Catholic schooling throughout my entire school career, and I've displayed it through involvement in a Catholic sleepaway camp back in Texas that I continue to return to even after moving. As for loving kindness, I feel most involved with my brothers as I am in the clubs that I involve myself within. Being a part of the environmental club, taking these guys out to the garden, and preaching sustainability, as well as cultivating Earth Day events that bring together the community, really display my connections with my peers, as well as just casual camaraderie that I've made with my friends over the past 4 years, whether it's getting a group of guys out to go play basketball, having fun at the school events, the pictures from homecoming on the right, and just making memories and treasuring all those bonds that I've made that are strong enough to last long past high school. A second place I've developed these bonds is on the golf team, which I've been a part of the last 2 years. And then with the nature of the sport itself, how it's really individuals playing their own game, but as a team, and being able to work on the emotional side of golf, how it's such a taxing game, and being able to work with my teammates and then make memories there as well as we travel. The picture on the left is from Palm Springs, and able to make those memories. Obviously, hitting my first hole in one. Um, Making those bonds with my coaches and my teammates. I'd like to thank everyone very, very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and have a blessed day.